Hello guys, this is Mr. Siege, and obviously today I'm pretty excited because they've announced a new engineering weapon with legendary quality, as you can see here. Now, obviously I'm ecstatic about having a new legendary weapon. However, there's still some things I'm a little bit bothered about. So let's go through this. So they added a new legendary quality engineering weapon which can be obtained in the following ways, and this is where it becomes a bit of a problem for me. So blueprints for the new engineering equipment can be earned through the Holy Knight's Treasure and the Hunt for History events. Okay, now the only problem with this is so is all the other legendary engineering gear. So it's a bit of a problem because you can only really get a certain amount of blueprints from these events without spending absolutely thousands and thousands of gems. So after the update, reward chests from the Soroli Crisis without scaling mode, Golden Kingdom and Ian's Ballads events have a chance to contain the blueprints also. Obviously, if this is the case, then you could be getting weapon blueprints, fragments, but then you're not going to get the rest of the legendary gear. You're going to get a reduced amount of those. So we're really struggling for obtaining legendary gear for engineering commanders. And it's a massive problem for me. Like, you can't obtain them from equipment chests at the moment, legendary equipment for engineering, and you can't obtain them from Lucerne scrolls. But all the other troops, you can easily obtain some form of legendary fragments, blueprint fragments. Now, we all need to stand up for the Siege community and question Lilith on this. Now, I was expecting to be able to buy these from the KVK shop. So I've got Conquest coins, and I don't want any Archer, Cav or Infantry equipment. So I want to be able to use my Conquest coins on the engineering weapon. So, yeah. Although I'm really happy, I'm still kind of annoyed. So, yeah, looking here. So, Lucerne, again, Archer, Cavalry, Infantry, that's all available. That's the only things that are ever available to us in here. Like, why are we not getting legendary engineer equipment in here now? And obviously this gathering gear, like, that's no good for anyone, really. That's just a bit of a gimmick. So, yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed. And of course, let's take a look at these equipment chests. And you can see all this gear, the legendary equipment, is all infantry, cavalry, and archer. Like, when are we going to get engineer equipment in here? Because engineering commanders have been out about a year now or so. Like, we need to be able to obtain the blueprints. I mean, no wonder there's not many people using it. It's hard. I mean, I know the epic gear's great and you can get fantastic trades, but I want my legendary set. You know, I want 2 sets of legendary equipment, and it's very hard. And obviously, we're going to get 2 more commanders out at a certain point. Now, I'm counting on you guys to leave feedback. So, at the end of this update mail, you can actually reply and tell basically Lilith how you feel and what you think. So, this is what I've wrote. I'm very excited about the release of the new engineering weapon. However, disappointed at the ways to obtain it. It's going to be slow and hard to obtain. I would have much preferred it to have been available in the KVK shop. The events in which it's obtained are needed to obtain the rest of the legendary equipment for engineering, as you are yet to add these to the equipment chests, opened with crystal keys. Every other troop type has legendary equipment available here except engineering, just like in Lucerne, and unfortunately you are making it very hard to invest in this troop type. Please make the adjustments. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah, we'll say thanks, Mr. Siege. So, hopefully this doesn't fall on deaf ears, but maybe you guys feel the same. And, yeah, let them know what you think. Maybe you think the same as me, but it's very important we give them the feedback we need. So, yeah, really excited about the new weapon. Obviously, I'll do my best to obtain it, test it out. Obviously, really interested to see what the stats are on this new weapon. I'm pretty hyped. Hope it's great. So, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and guys, I will see you very, very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.